Welcome to all of you on the channel Maths with Munir. I hope that you all are doing great and watching my videos. It's been quite a while since I'm making all these videos, and I am so happy and satisfied to know that you people are getting so many concepts. And that was the purpose of this channel, is not only to help those students who are studying maths as a major subject, but for those who are studying maths as a minor subject, but still they have to make sure that they are covering a major portion in order to get admission for their higher studies as well. So I'm quite satisfied to know that those who are not good in maths, they are getting some concept as well. So this is what it was about. So the topic that we are going to learn today is about related to the probability, and this question have been taken from new syllabus mathematics 7th edition. So if you are studying for O level or either for A level exam, either you are going for through IGCSE or GCSE, you have to cover this topic. So what I'm going to do right now, that to give you a little concept, what does it mean by probability. So probability is basically something of happening. Probability is something about the chances of something happening out of the total number of chance. Like once we are rolling a dice on the floor, and what are the probability that we are going to get 2? Okay, so we know that on dice the total numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is basically called a sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is your sample space. Why sample space? Because these are the number of total number that we have on a dice. So what are the probability that you are going to get a number 2? So it would be 1 over 6. Why 1? Because 2 is coming once. So this is what does it mean by probability, that chances of something happening out of the total number of chances. So what we are going to do in this question, a 2-digit number is chosen at random. Find the probability that the number is less than 20, and in the second part, a perfect square. So first of all, you need to know that what does it mean by random. Okay, so I would like to explain this word like this. Let's assume that we have a box in which we have some color balls, red, blue and black, and the number of balls in that box are 40, and without looking at the box like this, you are looking at somewhere else and you are picking a ball at random. All right, so what are the chances that the ball that you are picking up at random is going to be black or blue or red? So this is what it means by random, that you are not looking at things, you are looking at somewhere else and you are picking a ball at random. So what are the chances? So that is what we are going to do over here. A 2-digit number is chosen at random, right? You are choosing a number at random. Find the probability that the number is less than 20, a perfect square. Okay, so we are beginning with this solution. So first of all, we have to find out how many 2 digits number are there. So we know that 10, 11, 12. So this will be your sample space, that 10 is a 2-digit number, 11 is a 2-digit number, so as 12 till 99. These all are 2-digit number. So this is what our sample space that is going to be. Okay. Now out of this sample space, we are picking a 2-digit number. So we need to find the probability that the number is less than 20. Okay, so these are our total number. So what are the probability that you are going to get a number less than 20? In order to do that, we need to find out how many numbers are there less than 20. So from 10 to 19, so from 10, 11 till 19, these are our number. I am calling it as A. Let A be the probability that the number that you are going to pick at random is less than 20. So these are 10 number. Okay, so probability of A, the probability that you are going to get a number A from this set is going to be 10 over 90. Okay, so why did I write 90? I forgot to explain this earlier. So let's understand this one. Okay, so 10 to 99, these all are numbers. So how many these numbers are? Okay, so 99 are the total numbers minus first 9 number. From 1 to 9 are not included in this sample space, so that's what you are going to do is minus. So what are you getting? So 90. So it means that these 90 are the numbers that we have in this sample space. So probability, I told you, is about chances of something happening out of the total number of chances, out of the total numbers. So these are the total number that we have, which are 90, and these 10 are the digits less than 20. So the probability that we do get a number which is less than 20 is simplified 1 over 9. So this is the answer of this first portion. Alright, now let's move to the second part of this question, which is about a perfect square. Okay, now the sample space that we have is from 10 to 19. Now we need to find out the probability that the number that we are going to get is a perfect square. So what we have to do now, the sample space, the chances of something happening, earlier was from 10 to 19. Now the chances of something happening is going to be a change. Let's write it B. So sample space will be 16. We know that 16 is a perfect square number, so as 25, so as 36, then 49, then 64, and then 81. So these are the number in total sample space from 10 to 19 which are perfect square. Like 16 is a perfect square of 4, 25 is a perfect square of 5, 36 of 6, and so on. Okay, now we need to find the probability, chances of something happening out of total. So how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of 90 are the total number. So once you simplify this, 1 over 15. So that is your answer for the second part. And I am hopeful that you all got this question. So if you got this question, please don't forget to subscribe this don't forget to subscribe the channel and share this video as much as you can, because this is a very important concept. So whether either you are sitting for OA level exam or you are going to get admission in university, you must need to know the concept of probability, and this question is very, very important.